Denice Adkins. I'm an associate professor at the School of Information Science and Learning Technologies. My research interest is Latino information use. So what that means is that I study the way that Latinos use public libraries, use academic libraries, or use school libraries, and use other information sources to inform their worldview. One of the ways that I've looked at this is by going out and researching what environmental literacy is available in Latino neighborhoods. So this involves things like looking at Latino newspapers that may be available in the area, looking at the signs in storefront windows or the pictures and signs pasted on the side of shops, and even looking at graffiti to see how information is being communicated in the Latino neighborhoods that I study, and moreover, what information picture is being generated from that information. That builds up a picture of how people are getting to know about what's going on in their environments. Another thing that I'm looking at is going out to small rural areas and asking Latino immigrants and Latino long-term residents how they use information and social media. So whether they use social media to get information, what kind of information they get, and how they themselves communicate with others using social media and mobile technologies. Another area of research that I'm interested in is reading and readers, and particularly adult readers, and why they might read books for their own pleasure or their own learning. One of the reasons that I like looking at adult readers is because they choose to read. They're not like children in school who are forced to read. And this opens up a big possibility of what are they in fact choosing to read, and why are they choosing to read that, and what did they get out of it? Or another information area that I'm interested in is generally how people find and use information. So if you are looking for information, how does the library fit into that landscape of information, and what information do you seek? This blends into how does the internet fit into that information landscape, and what does that influence? My primary research interest in library and information science is public libraries. Public libraries are voluntary in use, they are tax supported, and they are there for the entire community. That means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. And so, as we study public libraries, we ask ourselves, what is a specific community meaning when they say, I'm going to the public library? So one of the interesting things that we are asking lately are, what are the costs associated with the public library, and what are the benefits of these associated with the public library, and how do we balance those two in this time of budget insufficiency and constant worrying about funding for public and municipal sources?